Hey there. If you're someone who would like to create any animated videos and you don't know where to start, you've come to the right place because today I'm going to teach you how to create animated videos on Canva. So if you're a starter and you don't have any Canva account yet, you can just go ahead and search Canva on the website. It will on any search engine rather, and then it will lead you to Canva. You can download the application or you can use the website just like I do. Just create an account using your Gmail account and it will automatically give you a free account. But if you want to upgrade your designs, you can definitely do that by clicking upgrade on their website or on the application. Anyway, today I'm going to teach you how to create animated videos. Let's say I'm going to create that today. Just click create on the upper left corner and then you use the video. Let's say I will type animated video. Okay, I'll choose the landscape video format, then the choose from the templates here. I would say I'm going to create a, let's say, birthday maybe. Or no, travel. I like travel better. Travel. The fun thing about Canva is you can choose a lot of templates that you can work on, so it's going to be easy and fun. Okay, I'm going to say, let's go here. Click on the nature videos. You already have so many videos available, so if you want to edit the video, there's also music to that. If you want to edit the video, like change the video, it's totally possible. What you can do to change the video is to click upload. If you have a video of your own, just click upload files. But if you don't have, you go to elements, then you click videos, then I'll say nature, and I'm gonna choose this one. No, that's not how you do it. You just drag it to the video you want to replace. Okay, like this. So once it's all replaced with what I want, okay, I'm gonna use this one as well. But I want to use the rest of the videos per se. Let's say okay, now if you want to animate the texts that you have, just click animate here and then choose the animation that you want. Let's say you want it to ascend, you want it to be a typewriter vibe, okay, or you can also do block or skate, whichever works with your aesthetic or your brand. It's totally fine. And if you also want to animate your video, you can definitely do that. Just click the video that you want to animate, click animate. Then let's say I want to shake zoom or website, old TV. Okay, let's just use this one. And then this one, I want to have the same animation. And then once you've animated everything, then you can preview rather the video. But what if I want to edit the sound or the background music? I don't like the background music. Totally fine. We can still use uploads if you have a sound that you prefer, but you can also click elements here and then once you're on elements, please search on the audio here. I'm gonna type in travel. Okay, and then click it. Make sure to delete the old music. Okay, and say that I already like it. Don't forget to add the file name. So I'm just gonna travel video and then click share and then click download. Make sure it's on MP4 video to gain the best quality and click download. And voila, that's already your animated video. Very quick and easy with Canva.